Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get your TikTok live chat to appear inside your OBS studio so that you can see and display the comments live on your stream just like you do on Twitch or on YouTube. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have a TikTok live access account and a stream key. Now, if you have it, you need to come here on tiktok.com. Then you need to go to your profile. In your profile, simply go to the settings. There you will find the creator tools. So here in the creator tools, you need to tap on the option of live center. Now, if you see the stream key option, that means that you are approved for the desktop streaming. Now, open the TikTok live studio on your account, and you can also do it on the TikTok live dashboard in your web browser. After that, you need to start a stream and look for the chat overlay link. It is a special browser URL that shows your chat feed. Now, once you have it, simply open your OBS studio. Over here, tap on this plus icon here in the bottom. Here, you need to add the scenes first. After that, in the scenes, simply tap on this plus icon here in the sources. After that, you just have to simply look for the browser, and here you can name it as TikTok chat. Now, once you give it a name, you just have to hit enter. Now you will have to paste that overlay link into this URL box, and then you need to set its width as 400 and the height as 600 pixels. Now, once you have done that, you need to simply press OK, and then your TikTok live chat will appear right inside your OBS scene. You can also resize, move, or style it using the filters and the backgrounds. If your chat doesn't appear, you just have to make sure that your TikTok stream key session is live. The overlay only works during the active sessions. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.